What's up guys, so in today's video you're going to learn how to secure WordPress website from hackers, WordPress Security 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. So I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online business. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watched the video till the end, I have a bonus for you. So guys, let's begin. So first things first guys, for security, this is the basics. You use a strong password, update the plugins and themes regularly. I always keep on auto update, so once a new update comes, it automatically gets updated. And as always, delete unnecessary files. And then always use a really good web hosting, okay, because they have security measures, and always use an SSL. So for me, I use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress, and it's secure, it's fast, and it's very easy to manage. And now I'm going to show you what you could do to secure it more. So I'm just going to log in right now. So this is my website right now. So the first things first, go on settings, go on users. So let's go on users, edit and update your password. Make sure it's a very strong password where you use all the capital letters. For example, I can give you something like this. This could be a password where it has a lot of numbers, so make a strong password. The second thing is update. So if I go back on plugins, make sure that you update all the plugins are up to date, even your themes. So if I go on appearance, themes, even all this is up to date. And the third thing is, make sure you delete all the unnecessary plugins. So let's say I'm not using this one, so let's say I'm not using Google Analytics, just delete it. Delete whatever you're not using. Even same thing goes with the themes. So come over here, if you're not using this theme, come over here, then you can just click over here and delete it. So make sure these are the basic steps. Once that's done, then all you have to do is go back on Bluehost, go on advanced, go back to your cPanel. So currently I'm going to my cPanel. So here's my cPanel, and then go on file manager, and then go on public HTML, and make sure all of your, if I go click on change permission, so make sure, so everything should be 755. Make sure everything is 755. If it's 777, so anyone from the internet could write it, and it's an open thing for your hacker, so make sure it's 755. So you can just do 755. Make sure you go over your on your WP content, make sure change permission, everything should be 755. And the last thing is, always install a security plugin. So the best security plugin, and which is free, it's WordFence. Just go over here. So WordFence, click enter, and just install it. So there is a pro version as well, but for in the beginning, just make sure you install this and activate it. And then the next thing what you have to do is, once you install this, so put in your email ID and just continue. So I'm just going to put gmail.com. No, continue. No thanks. Once that's installed, come over here, come on dashboard. Yeah, next, got it. So now all you have to do is go on firewall. Make sure you just click on manage firewall, and then just optimize and just continue. So I would always select this one, just download it in case something goes wrong, and then just continue, and then it's optimized. So now advanced firewall option, you don't have to do anything about this. Just go and scan, just cancel all this thing, and then you can click over here if you think that you're secured, if your website is hacked, or if you feel that something wrong is happening to your website. And then all you have to do is make sure this yes enable auto update is enabled. Just click over here, that's done, and then there's nothing else to do, everything is set. So all over here you could see the live traffic, so you could see how many people are visiting your website. And then if you want, you could do diagnostic, where if you feel everything is working correctly, if you think what this word fence is not working correctly, you could see everything is working. Yes, yes. So everything is there, so you don't even have to go over here. You just have to activate and just run the scan, and if you see something's wrong, and then they would tell you what you could do. But this is just the beginning, guys. Just install the plugin, make sure your password is strong, and don't download fake or just null plugins, because usually what happens is people find null plugins online and they download it for free and they think that they don't have to pay money to buy it. But at the end, you are just uploading some wrong files onto your computer, onto your WordPress website, and which makes it more vulnerable to other hackers, because once you upload that plugin to your WordPress website, you never know that there might be some code which hacker can get access to, and then they could come to your WordPress website. So make sure always buy premium plugins. Don't try to download it from the internet. So it's not free, so make sure you always use the paid plugins and just keep your website clean. If you have any unused plugin, just delete it and make sure everything is installed, the word fence plugin. And that's it for today. And as the bonus, I told you guys, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. There's a free training, the link is down below. It shows you exactly how to create a WordPress website from scratch, the best themes, the best plugins, and how you could start blogging. And it's a basic course, but it's so valuable because we all know how to create a WordPress website, but then there are some important settings which you don't do. Then you won't be able to rank in your Google, or if something's not installed correctly, then your whole website goes slow. So make sure you join this course, and I would see you in the next video. Thank you.